Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G75, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, before I get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, though you do need to take off the case if you have one on your device for this. And the tray is on the upper left side of the device, right here where the pin is holding. So you want to push that pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. On the tray, you have space for a SD card and SIM card. Now, each spot being dedicated to that card. Oh, let's fix that up. There we go. So make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray. There we go, like so. And then insert it back into your device. Now these cards should start working right away. As you can see, it automatically detects the SIM card as it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin. And let's unlock it. And we should also have some kind of notification about SD card. And nope. Come on. Actually, no, that is it. You can see there's the SD card logo. It just says 7 Mi as it was being used in a smart mirror for a car. So it's basically the brand of that. So that's why it has a weird name. But anyway, this is how you can insert your SIM and SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.